Gentlemen, welcome to another episode of Mantelligence. Today I'm with Kay and Larry to help you with another dating woe, how to talk to women. I feel you, it's not always easy talking to the ladies, but we're here to help. In today's video, we're not just helping you talk to women, we're also giving you tips and tricks to make them want you. Shout out to Marnie, your personal wing girl, for inspiring this video. At the end of this video, we're also teaching you how to spot all the signs she's interested, so you'll have all the help you'll need to win the girl. Ready? Let's begin.
Number 5, ask a favor.
Here's the secret to approaching girls. Ask them for a favor. If you want to know how to talk to women and make them want you, the trick is to get them to invest in you. How do you do that, you might ask? Ever heard of the Benjamin Franklin effect? It's a psychology phenomenon used by business leaders and politicians as a manipulative sales and networking strategy. Lucky for you, it's even proven to help your love life. The idea is simple. Ask a person to do a favor for you, and in return, you'll find that they like you even more than they would if you'd done a favor for them. Nothing will ever happen for your love life if you stay on the sidelines and just wait for signs a girl wants you to approach her. The best way to talk to women and break the ice is to make a request. So say you're at a coffee shop and you see this really cute girl. Instead of putting yourself out too early, ask her if she can watch your stuff for a minute while you go get a coffee. You can even take inspiration from the things she likes. Say your crush loves to read, is really into music, or has a knack for the arts. You can also ask her to recommend a book, a song, or teach you how to paint. You don't even have to be interested in these kinds of stuff in the first place. You just have to find little incognito ways to talk to her, and any small request will do the trick. As Ben Franklin would put it,
He that has once done you a kindness will be more ready to do you another than he whom you yourself have obliged. Don't know when to approach a woman? Watch this video where we reveal all the signs she wants you to approach her. Number 4, make a statement.
here's another trick to talk to women and break the ice. Make a statement. If you want to know how to talk to a girl you like without making a fool out of yourself, this is the way to go. It's as simple as thinking out loud and expressing your opinion without expecting a response from the other person. Making a statement works because it creates an open invitation to chat, but it protects you from being rejected. If she's interested, the girl will look at you and continue the conversation. If not, then you really didn't risk anything. It could be as simple as, "What a nice day." Pair that with a warm smile, and if you're in luck, she's having a good day herself. She'll smile back and respond. Of course, when that happens, you need to keep the conversation going. Here's another example. Say you're at a bar and you come across a lovely lady. You can say, "The bartender here makes the best amaretto sour." If that catches her attention, great. You could follow up by offering to buy her a drink or ask her questions like, "Do you come here often?" If she's not into amaretto sour, you can recommend another concoction she might like. That way, you're building rapport and flirting at the same time. 2 birds, 1 stone, right?
Have you ever been in a situation where a girl is totally eyeing you and you want to talk to her, but you don't know how to approach the girl? Check out this video where we share tips about what to do when a girl looks at you. Number 3, get into details.
Notice how other girls compliment each other's hair, makeup, shoes, and clothes, and notice how happy they get every time that happens, and how easily that simple gesture starts a conversation. Gentlemen, it's all in the details. If you want to know how to talk to women, you gotta pay attention. Being able to notice and acknowledge the little things, especially if it's something sentimental to them, or something they put a lot of time or effort into. It's not only a nice gesture, it also shows them you're an attentive man. In fact, one speed dating experiment, researchers found that women were more attracted to men who were mindful, present, and attentive. If you've ever found yourself dumbfounded when you try to talk to your crush, instead of racking your brain for the best questions to ask a girl you like, just take inspiration from her OOTD.
Perhaps she's wearing a shirt with a Lakers logo on it, or a band logo. You can say, "Cool shirt," and follow up with an inquiry or a statement like, "Are you a Lakers fan?" Or, "I love the Beatles. I'm guessing you do too." Or you could make up an alibi. "Nice shoes. My sister's birthday's coming up and I still don't have a gift for her. Where'd you get them?" Or you can keep it sweet and flirty. "You look really pretty in that dress." Or, "Are you wearing a new perfume?" Easy, right? Can't figure out how to talk to your crush? Watch this video where we teach you how to talk to girls and share some of the best questions to ask a girl you like.
I hope you're enjoying today's video because we have 2 more tricks up our sleeves. Before we continue, I just want to remind you that by the end of this video, we will also be revealing all the signs a girl's interested, because knowing how to tell she wants to be approached is as important as knowing how to approach women and make them want you. If you want to know how to get a girlfriend, stay tuned.
Number 2, bring up pop culture.
What's the most convenient way to talk to women? Bring up pop culture. Seriously, it's all the rage now, and this is probably the best trick to kick things off or find common ground with the girl you like. Ask her about what she's currently watching on Netflix. Ask her opinion about a controversial ending of the series. Ask for a song recommendation or get to know her favorite artists. All are safe bets. Just keep it lighthearted and remember to always respect her opinion.
Asking about this stuff does more than just break the ice. By learning what she's currently into, you also get an idea about her personality, character, hobbies, interests, stance on certain topics, and what kind of dates to plan for her. Most importantly, you get to find out if you're on the same wavelength. Number 1, insert humor.
I get it, talking to a girl you like is no piece of cake and could be pretty nerve-wracking, but you know what would help? Humor. According to Dawn Masler, author of Men Chase, Women Choose, The Neuroscience of Meeting, Dating, Losing Your Mind, and Finding True Love. Jokes work well because they're disarming and work on a biological level. If a woman laughs at a man's joke, he feels assured that she has some level of comfort with him. For her, laughing releases oxytocin, the bonding hormone. These two things together create an opening for more conversation.
If you're anxious about your first date, adding humor in your conversation is the best way to approach anxiety. Even if it's a goofy pickup line or a cheesy joke, it'll still work. Just like how Marilyn Monroe would put it, if you can make a girl laugh, you can make her do anything. It's time to find out how to tell if she wants to be approached. First, watch out for her body language. If every time you're around, she turns her body towards you, makes eye contact, and starts preening whenever you look at her, that's a telltale sign she wants you to notice her. Second, a girl who likes you will make the proximity between you and her shorter. That means that she'll try to get closer to you as much as possible. She'll either switch seats with a friend, stay in your line of sight, or simply hang out on your side of the bar. Lastly, she'll acknowledge the little details about you. I mean, why would anyone pay any attention that you part your hair on the left, or notice if you're wearing a different perfume if they aren't interested in you, right?
How about you? How do you talk to women? How do you make them want you? Share your thoughts in the comment section below. And that's it for today's episode. Now you can talk to women without any fuss. Remember, when it comes to attracting the ladies, confidence and great body language is key.